Hello guys, today's in this video we are going to make a beautiful paper butterfly. Fold it carefully as shown in the video into middle. Mark the butterfly shape as shown in the video and cut it carefully. Make sure to draw the butterfly shape using a pencil. Now repeat the same process with the second paper. Now stitch the two butterfly pieces using a glue as shown in the video. That's it. Our beautiful butterfly is completed. Make sure you like the video if you like it.